Good day everyone, I am Pat Diaz and welcome to Understanding English Pronunciation. Today we're going to continue looking at the English short vowel sounds. This is part 2 of this lesson. Let's begin. The short vowel sounds we are going to see in these lessons are the E, A, O, and O. So the short vowel sound number 3 is the E. E. One more time. E. E. Examples: bed, dead, guess, let, melt, right, and weather. Now, to produce the E sound correctly, you need to shape your lips spread with the jaw open to a neutral position, and you need to push the tongue to a central front part close to your front teeth. This sound is produced at a central front part in the mouth. E. E. Let's try the examples again. Bed, dead, guess, let, melt, red, weather. One more time. Bed, dead, guess, let, melt, red, weather. Very good. Number 4 is the sound ah. Ah. Try to say it. Ah. Ah. Examples: add, cat, dad, fact, man, stand, thanks. Now, to produce the sounds correctly, you need to shape your lips spread. The jaw has to be open and you need to push the tongue to a front low position in the mouth. This sound is produced in the front lobe area of the mouth. Ah. Ah. Now, this phoneme is a special one. When producing this sound, you have to drop the jaw suddenly. Ah. Ah. This sudden movement of the jaw produces a kind of ghost or phantom A sound just at the beginning of the phoneme. Listen. Ah. Ah. This is more noticeable in American English. Let's try the examples again. Add, cat, dad, fact, man, stand, thanks. One more time. Add, cat, dad, fact, man, stand, thanks. Very good. Number 5 is the O sound. Again, O. Examples: bus, come, fun, mother, one, Sunday, up. Now, to produce the sound correctly, you need to shape the lips semi-spread and push forward. The jaw has to be opened and you need to push the tongue back to a central low position in your mouth. This sound is produced at a front central low part in your mouth. Ah. Ah. Let's try the examples again. Bus, come, fun, mother, one, Sunday, up. One more time. Bus, come, fun, mother, one, Sunday, up. Okay, next one. The last short vowel sound is the O. O. One more time. O. O. Examples are box, common, follow, model, problem, stop, wonder. Now, in order to produce the O sounds correctly, you need to shape the lips rounded and push forward, with the jaw open to a neutral position, and you need to push the tongue to a low back position in the mouth. This sound is produced at the low back area in the mouth. O. O. Let's try the examples again. Box, common, follow, model, problem, stop, wonder. One more time. Box, common, follow, model, problem, stop, wonder. Very good. Okay, summing up. The 6 English short vowel sounds are the I, the U, the E, the A, the O, and the O. We're going to keep practicing these sounds in the future, of course. Well, in our next lesson, we are going to see the English long vowel sounds. Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget to practice. See you next time. Bye for now.